Leaky roof? Missing shingles? Soft patches and pooling water? These roof issues are more common than you think, and something that every single homeowner needs to address before going solar. And if you don't address it, it can cost you. If you're considering solar, you need to know. The roof beneath your system matters just as much as the panels on top. So today, we're walking through the 5 most common roof issues you need to address before going solar, which, by the way, we fix for free when you go solar with us. Let's dive in. Worn or damaged shingles. On pitched roofs, shingles take a beating, especially here in New York. Heavy snow, summer heat, nor'easters, all of it causes shingles to warp, crack, or even go missing. That means the moisture can get in, wood can start to rot, and the spots where your solar hardware needs to attach might not be secure. If these issues aren't fixed before install, water can creep into the roof structure and cause costly damage later. That's why we repair missing and damaged shingles before installing your solar. Leaks and water damage. Leaks are one of the biggest red flags that solar installers run into. As our chief solar officer Jacob explains, if the wood is already waterlogged and we install solar on that same wood, it could cause more damage. When wood stays wet, it softens. Softwood doesn't hold hardware well, and any new penetrations like solar mounts can make the problem worse. So before panels go up, we patch leaks, seal weak spots, and make sure that your roof is fully watertight. That helps prevent small issues from becoming major headaches down the line. Weak or aging roof decking. Even if your roof looks fine, the decking underneath might be compromised. Soft spots and roof decking is a sign that the structural wood has weakened. And weakened wood can't safely support solar mounts for decades. If decking isn't solid, hardware can loosen, shift, or cause further deterioration over time. By reinforcing or replacing compromised sections, we make sure that your solar system rests on a stable, long-lasting base. Poor drainage and standing water. Flat roofs, especially across Brooklyn and Queens, often deal with pooling water. And standing water does more than just sit there. It adds weight, breaks down roofing materials faster, and can seep into seams and corners where leaks love to hide. As Jacob says, flat roofs get damaged more easily because water sits there more than on a pitched roof. We address those issues and, when needed, add a protective roof layer to prevent future damage and give your solar system a solid surface to anchor to. Outdated or improper roofing materials. Some older NYC buildings have roofing materials that just aren't compatible with solar installations. They may be brittle, too thin, or unable to hold modern mounting technology securely. Attempting to install solar on these roofs can lead to cracking, leaks, or shortened roof life. In those situations, we update the materials to durable, solar-ready options that protect both your roof and your system. The bottom line: your roof plays a major role in the success of your solar system. Skipping these issues doesn't save money. It creates problems later. That's why at Mpower Solar, we handle necessary roof repairs when possible. And if your roof needs extensive work or a full replacement, we'll be upfront about that too. Do you think your roof is ready for solar? If you're curious, give us a call. We'll take a look.